You can hear the Fallon Naval air over me right now. And you see these waves through my screen? That's them using the EMR, electromagnetic radiation devices, to scan my stuff, to hack into my systems, etc., etc. I'm in my network connections because my computer would not connect to the internet. We just reinstalled the whole operating system for the 18th time in 3 months and the 5th time in 2 weeks, because they keep hacking in and altering things to where the computer won't function properly. And as you see in my control panel and my network connections, it says the folder for network adapters is empty. You see down here where it won't even tell me the time or date? They've been in here altering stuff again. The screen will go white, or it'll just freeze, or sometimes you'll see the command prompt. And they had added another administrator with special access that I couldn't delete from the system. So I'm going to have to completely wipe the drive, wipe everything, multiple passes, etc., etc., the same crap I've had. And it takes hours and hours to do that, to thoroughly clean everything off, because you got to also make sure there's nothing hidden in the memory, as well as your drives. In other words, so you got to go through all this virus scanning, cleaning everything off, wiping everything, doing multiple passes before you can even reinstall your operating system. And like I said, they've been on top of me nonstop. They know federal agencies are investigating their criminal behavior. They're supposed to be the cyber crimes unit that's supposed to be protecting the United States against the cyber crimes. They have a division here. But the people that they're training are going, now I know how to hack into this, and now I know how to hack into that. I'm going to do my own evil, illegal activities for my own purposes and hide behind the military while I do it, which is what's going on. But as you see, and I can't do the scan and show you the date and time because my computer isn't even registering a date and time, because they deleted stuff or whatever they do when they hack in here. But as you see, the control panel, network connections, the folder is empty. All the network adapters and all that stuff, can't even access any of that. You see everything is whited out? And you see this thing running through my screen. This is them right now actively over top of me with their jets. And they will sit over me for hours and hours. Whether it's a jet or drone, I don't know what the hell the damn thing is. One of their aircraft is directly above me right now. And they also have their jets making multiple passes, as many as 90 in a day. We've had as many as 20 in an hour, where they're